The autophagy concept has won Nobel Prizes twice. So you can understand the importance of that concept. First by Christian de Duve, age 95, presenting his ideas on the origin of the eukaryotic cell. Then on October 3, 2016, the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine was awarded to Yoshinori Osumi. Importance of autophagy in health and disease. Autophagy is a fundamental cellular process that plays a crucial role in maintaining cellular homeostasis, which is a physiological process that keeps the internal environment of a living organism stable and balanced. Autophagy involves the degradation and recycling of cellular components, such as damaged cells and parts of cells and proteins. It is believed that by enhancing autophagy you can avoid cancer. Also, it may be able to repair damaged beta cells in the pancreas, thereby restoring insulin production. The inability to carry out autophagy has been linked to various diseases, including cancer, neurodegenerative disorders, and infections to name a few. Several ways to enhance autophagy. Number 1. Fasting. When you don't eat for a while, your body switches into cleaning up mode and autophagy can kick in. This can be done through things like intermittent fasting or just skipping a meal regularly. Number 2. Calorie restricting. You need to restrict the calories you take in food to less than your body is consuming. If you are in an office-type job, your energy expenditure can be very low and you need to restrict food intake tightly. Number 3. Exercise. Getting your body moving more can also be a signal for cells to clean house. Vigorous walking, jogging and running can be good and less expensive options. Incorporate them into lifestyle, like getting down from the bus or train one stop earlier and walk the rest of the distance. Walk to the shop for groceries. Diet. Eating a healthy diet with plenty of low-energy dense fruits, vegetables, and low-carb legumes can provide your body with the nutrients it needs for healthy autophagy. Some studies suggest that foods high in antioxidants might also play a role. If you like to know more about antioxidant-rich foods, see the video list in the above link. Consult your healthcare professional before making any changes to your medication or lifestyle. Autophagy, derived from the Greek words auto, meaning self, and phagi, meaning to eat, refers to the process by which cells break down their own components. This self-cleaning mechanism ensures the removal of damaged, harmful and unnecessary cellular material. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of autophagy. The autophagic process. Initiation. Autophagy begins with the formation of a double membrane structure called the autophagosome. Various signaling pathways regulate autophagy beginning. How autophagy selects targets. Autophagy selectively targets damaged cells or cell parts, misfolded proteins, and other cellular debris. Specific receptors recognize cargo and facilitate its engulfment by the autophagosome. Autophagosome maturation. The autophagosome fuses with lysosomes, forming an autolysosome. Lysosomal enzymes degrade the engulfed material, releasing amino acids and other building blocks for cellular maintenance. Role of autophagy in health and disease. Cellular homeostasis. Autophagy maintains a balance between synthesis and degradation, ensuring cellular health. It removes damaged mitochondria, preventing oxidative stress. Aging and longevity. Enhanced autophagy promotes longevity by clearing cellular junk. Caloric restriction and exercise activate autophagy, contributing to lifespan extension. Disease associations. Neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's involve impaired autophagy. Cancer cells exploit autophagy for survival during nutrient deprivation. Therapeutic implications. Targeting autophagy. Modulating autophagy holds promise for treating various diseases. Autophagy inhibitors may sensitize cancer cells to chemotherapy. Nutritional interventions. Fasting and specific diets, for example, intermittent fasting, calorie-restricted eating and ketogenic diet could activate autophagy. These interventions may improve health outcomes. Conclusion. Autophagy is a dynamic process essential for cellular well-being. Understanding its intricacies opens avenues for therapeutic interventions. As we continue to unravel autophagy's mysteries, we move closer to enhancing health and combating diseases. Do not forget to click the like button and subscribe. Up above you see a video related to health. Thanks very much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel.